if today is the first time joining my channel, thank you so much for coming around to watch my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be making 2,000 every day. Now, let's say if you're making 2,000 every day, that means at the end of 30 days, you're making 60,000 just doing this little thing. I mean, it's just something small that no one has ever told you. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if that's kind of video you're looking for ways to make money online, then this is your home. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, you might consider to subscribe and be part of the family. So one thing you need to do first, you're going to go to this to your Play Store. All right, so you're going to go to your Play Store. So I'm going to head on to my Play Store right here. So when I click on my Play Store, I'm going to search for this application called 𝐒𝐇. All right, so once I click on 𝐒𝐇, then the next thing I want to do is I just want to click on the one that say, you know, if you're just looking for the app, you're going to see something like 𝐒𝐇. You're going to see install here. All right, so but I have the application already. So what you're going to do is you're going to see install. Once you install it, you see open, but now I'm going to open it because I have the application. So one thing, after clicking on it, you will see sign up. So you see sign in and sign up and login or something like that. So once you click on sign up, then you want to click here and put in your username. All right, and here you're going to put a referral code, and the referral, just use my name, seundigital. Use that as a referral code. Why do you need to do that? When you use that, there's a bonus of 500 naira that will be given to you. All right, so once you do that, now after which you've done that, you click on, you put in your name, you put in the referral code, you click on sign up. Once you are up, then the next thing you want to do is to sign into your account. So I'm going to do that to my account now. I have two accounts, so I'm going to sign into one now. So okay, then I'm going to sign into just one now. I want this video to be very fast. All right, so sign in. Once I sign into the account, the next thing I want to do right now, this is my account. Okay, I have this account and I have another account, but this is not the account I want to use. Okay, let me use this account. All right, so let's go. Now, once you have your account like this, after which you've created the account, for you to start working on this application, you need to activate the account with 1,000 naira. So you just go ahead and fund your account with 1,000 naira. So believe me, this application will make you a lot of money. If you're making 60,000 every month, I mean, it's something for you. All right, so funding this account with just 1,000, it shouldn't be a problem. So what you need to do, how do you fund your account? So I want to walk you through it. Click on fund. All right, because I have done that on this account, so that's why I have balance of 115 naira. So you put in just 1,000 naira. Okay, that's what you're going to use to fund the account. Then you click on fund the account. They're going to give you the account details to pay into, and the money you're funding is still your money, so you don't worry, it's still your money. Okay, so once you put, they're going to pop out the details. Just transfer the money in there, and once you're done, you can just put in your, this is the account detail you're going to pay the money to. This is the name of the beneficiary, 𝐿𝐇 International Limited. Then after which you fund your account, then you are good to go. Now the next thing you want to do right now is to go ahead. So how do you make your money on this application? There are several ways to make money on it, but I want to show you a particular way that will give you at least 2,000 every day. All right, so what you want to do right now, go down a bit and click on this place that says earn daily by posting advert and performing taxes on your social media account. All right, so go ahead and click on it. Then let's come to the small one here, perform engagement taxes. Okay, let's click on taxes here. So once you click on it, earn steady income by performing simple, social and engaging tasks for businesses on social media accounts. Okay, do you have up to 1,000 followers? Click here to do. Don't worry about that one. Now this is what you want to focus on. Here, just following Instagram account, you are going to be earning 3 naira per job. I mean, you can do this for free. You do follow people for free without them paying you, so you can do this and make money. So if you follow just one, you earn 3 naira. Let's assume an available job right now that you can do here is 67. All right, so let's do the multiplication. 67, if you are going to do that, 67 times 3, all right, 3 naira times that's 67 people, that's 200 naira. Just doing that. So we further go to the Facebook on and say like and follow Facebook business account, 3 naira per job, and they have 45 available. All right, 45. So let's go again. So we have 45. If you're going to do this, you do all these 45 tax available, and you do all these 67. So 45 plus 67, that's how many? Then we have another one here, 2 available right now, 3 naira per job, 3 naira per job, 3 naira per job. So this is 2 plus 45, that's 47. 47 plus 67, let's do the calculation. 47 plus 67, all right, 47 plus 67, that's 114. So, and don't forget, all this 114 you are getting 3 naira per one, so times 3, so that's 300 naira just doing those things. I mean, it's simple to do, right? So once you do that, you can also go down here and just go to Google Play Store, download and review the app. Just write something on the app. So that's 30 naira plus 300 and something, that is 330 something naira. All right, so you can also go down and do all of this thing, but this one's nothing is available yet under them. You can see there's nothing like available, you know, this one has available, this one available, this one nothing right now. But just go ahead and do this, because they upload job every hour. So once this one is done, you can also come back here and do more. All right, so let's assume I want to do this one now. I want to do this tax, and I click on it, click on this tax, the Instagram follow. So once you click on it, I want to show you how to go about it. All right, this can make you money every day. Just, I mean, believe me guys, it's gonna make you money every day doing this. It doesn't cost you anything. The only thing it's gonna cost you is when you want to join the app, because you need 1,000 naira to register to activate your account on this application. And that's simple, that's small compared to what you're going to be earning every day on this application. All right, so let's go. So now that it has opened, what you need to do next is click on this generate your next tax. Click on it. Once you click on generate next tax, click on yes. Once you click on yes, then you're gonna see follow people and page. All right, earn 3 naira per job. So what I need to do right now is either I cancel it if I don't want to do it, or I just go here and click on do now. So let's go and do it. Click on it, then it's going to open this where you're going to see the link. So what you need to do right here is very simple. You're going to click on this link, visit link first. That's what you need to do. After which you visit the link, you're going to follow the account, then you screenshot it and come down here and upload the screenshot here and put in your account name, your Twitter handle, or if it is Instagram, the same thing. So let's go and do it, so that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click on visit link. It's going to take me to the link. So it's going to take me to Twitter box, because it's Twitter stuff. All right, once it takes me on Twitter, what I need to do is follow the account. Already I'm following this account. That will tell you that I'm also doing this thing, right? Okay, so you see I follow the account already. So what I need to do right now is to just do what? Go ahead and screenshot this and screenshot it. So I'm going to screenshot it right here, screenshot, and then what I need to do next, once I screenshot, I just want to screenshot. So after screenshotting, I'm going to go back to that place. All right, go back to that place here, and I'm going to click on this place that say upload screen. I will click on it to upload the image. So once I click on it, then I'm going to upload the image. Once I upload the image, I'm going to put in my social media handle here, and I'm going to write seundigital. All right, seundigital. Then after putting my social media handle, I'm going to click on upload proof, and that's all you need to do. and you're doing it. I mean, after that, it's going to close the app, and you're going to give it like 30 minutes. You come back again. All right, so we're going to give it like 30 minutes and come back. So before we go, guys, if you're here to subscribe on this channel, and because video I do on this channel is to help you make money online, nothing less. So if you're here to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I'm uploading video like this, you'll be the first person to know about my video. So let's go and open the app again. So I'm going to open the app right now. So we're gonna open it and allow it to load. Now that it has opened, you can see right here they said we have total N is 3 naira pending to be approved. They will approve it under short minute. So after that, you go back there again, you repeat the same process. Click on again. Let me do it again so that you will know how to do it. So click here again, then I will come back and click on this one, small taxes. All right, click on it, then I'm going to choose again follow Instagram pages. So you can see my number one is under review. So I'm going to click on this button that says generate. All right, I'm going to click it again, then we're going to click yes, and it's going to give me another account. Follow this page. Okay, I'm going to say do now. I'm going to click on do now, and I'm going to click on visit link, and I'm going to follow the account on Instagram. This is Instagram, right? I'm going to follow the account on Instagram, and once I'm done with that, I will screenshot the account and upload it. So this is the account I'm meant to follow. So I'm going to say okay, follow. Once I follow the account, I'm going to screenshot the account, but let me be sure that this is the account I want to use to follow it. So let me switch my account because I have many accounts on Instagram. So let me switch to seundigital and use seundigital to follow the account. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to just go back to my to here and click on visit again, because I've switched my Instagram account. I want to use my seundigital account to follow it. All right, so I'm going to click on follow now, then I'm going to screenshot it. All right, I'm going to screenshot this page to show them that I followed them. All right, once I've screenshotted, after screenshotting, then I'm going to minimize it and go back to this place and come down here and click on this button that's I went to screenshot, sorry. I'm going to click on this button that says upload right here. I'm going to click on it. Once I upload the account, once I upload the image that's screenshotted, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to click on it and then put in my account name here, which is seundigital. All right, I'm going to put it there. So then the next thing I want to do right now, after doing all of that, I'm going to come here and click on upload proof. All right, click on it and it's going to reload this application. And that's all. So this is what you're going to do every time. I mean, you can do that all the one and something that I've just calculated. You do all of them, then after which you've done with them, that's 300 and something naira. Again, they will upload another tax. You do it, continue to do it. In a day you can be making 2,000 for yourself. All right, guys, you can be making 2,000 naira for yourself. So let's go back to the application. So just continue to do it, and every day you are doing this thing, you are making money for yourself. So there is no way for you to be complaining of no money again. Even you can start making money now without even putting so much money. All you just need to do when you register the account is to activate your account with just 1,000 naira, and that should not be too much for you to handle, right? So guys, I think I have come to the end of this video. You can see that I have 6 naira waiting for me right now, so I can continue to do it again and again and again and again. So that will be the end of this video, guys. If you gain any value in this video, kindly do what by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell. You can also give this video a like. Thank you. Give this video a like because you've gotten some value, so that other people can know that this video is making a lot of sense. Okay guys, till I come away again, my name is seundigital, and bye for now.